Is it true that you built the first Harley in a barn?
That's a myth. It was a shed, not a barn.
This is it. This is our venture, a motorized bicycle.
Keep two of these.
Not bad, Harley.
Danas je 20. september, jako poseban dan. Jer danas idem na test vožnju Harley Davidson. I kao što sam rekao, danas 20. septembra u Chiang Maju ispred Central Malla. Dan test vožnje. Hello. Sorry.
My name is
Jovan.
Johan.
From Serbia.
From Serbia. Nice to meet you, Johan. Today we have the event 2019 test ride.
Saudi.
We want to test what bike?
Sportster.
Sporter. The Sporter today we have a Iron 83 and the 1200C we have a 1200 custom and the 48. Which one you like to test? Passport.
Yes, I have a passport. I don't have a copy for a passport.
Write down what bike
You have
you want.
an
They only have 6
original
bikes per
tonight.
kid.
Can we make
Yes,
a copy,
original.
please? Thank you. One is ready.
Passport. Evo, bez ikakvih problema za samo 5 minuta. Za 5 minuta kopija internacionalne dozvole, kopija pasoša, samo neka sitna forma i eto. Već sam aplicirao za test vožnju Sportster, da. Nudili su nešto drugo. Ok, sve super, idemo na Birok. To je moj.
I don't know how to use this. Oh,
No, it's recording already.
yeah. Recording. Stevie? Yes.
Test ride today. Like your helmet, Mike.
Thanks. To je moj motor za danas.
Okay, so what I want to talk to you about a little bit, we're coming to you live today at Richco Harley Davidson. So I want to talk to him about the way the operation of this motorcycle works. It's a keyless, it uses a key fob. The key fob's already on the bike, so we don't have to worry about the keys. So you just turn this switch on here. You'll notice all the system comes up. Wait till the red light goes out. After the red light goes out, then you can push start, okay? Make sure it's in neutral and just the start button's right here. Okay? And your turn signals will be here. Go right.
Like a BMW.
It's a Harley Davidson, not a BMW. So anyway, and if you notice it doesn't go out, just hit it again, it'll go off. Your horn's here, okay? High, low beam, don't have to worry about that too much. Remember the gear pattern is the normal gear pattern, it's 1 down, 4 up, good to go. And these have a really good new integrated brake system. So when you hit the brake, good to go. Have any questions?
No.
Enjoy your test ride.
Thanks, man.
บอกว่ามีถึง7ขา7รุ่นด้วยกันเลย อยากจะทีแรกเอกที่ลานน้ำพุค่ะกันเชิญด้วยเชียงใหม่แทนรุ่นเบสเอา1800C นะคะมาเล่ในรุ่นของแฟสปอร์ต1750
Harley, Davidson.
Moram da kažem par reći o današnjem motoru koji sam testirao, to je Sportster 1200 koje je sve što znam ja o njemu. V2 motor, vazdušno hlađenje, to je sve od informacija što ja znam. 1200 kubika, prejaka mašina. Koliko sam saznao, na prednjem točku je novi kočioni ceo sistem. Jedna stvar koju sad mogu da kažem, to je da sam se oduševio ovim Sportsterom, veličinom, koliko je udoban. Stvarno sam imao pogrešno mišljenje, mislio sam da će biti dosta neudobniji, ali jako je udoban, pošto ovo nije hardtail, ovo je softtail, kaišni prenos, jako dobro ubrzavanje. Nismo baš imali nešto priliku da ja divnem tu, pošto sam morao da stojim u grupi, ali...
Radio machine!
What's it like?
Like an explosion between your legs.
Jedna stvar koju bih izdvojio ovde na ovoj test vožnji Harley Davidsona, to je ljubaznost svih ovih ljudi. Sve pohvale za Harley Davidson. Sad ne mogu da vratimo u jaknu jer sam se skuo. By the way, Katika je cool. I just want to say thank you for everything.
Hey, you're welcome. You have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
You're welcome.
Thanks.
For this bike,